Hey guys, I might have went a little crazy with my trays, but it's because I love decor and I love displaying decor, and the possibilities are endless, guys. And these are $3 trays from the Dollar Tree. $1 for the cake pan, another $1 for the cake pan, and the flagpole is another $1, and that's $3. And you can make your displays differently on each one. Like this one, for example, it could go in your bathroom. This one can go in your kitchen. I have so many ideas. You can paint them. You can either add some of this paper to them, or I mean, this one, I have a different thought for this. And I just think the possibilities are endless. If you just put this kind of paper on this, add it to your bathroom, nobody would know. Dollar Tree cake pan, in my opinion. But I will be decorating these and painting these as well as I did with this one. Okay guys, so this is the little tier that I fixed up from the Dollar Tree DIY, and I just went ahead and put it up here on the shelf. And I just have so many ideas with it. I think that it can fit in any decor, just as long as you paint it how you want to. So what I want to do is I want to measure this right in the middle. So it looks like 3.5. That's where I'm going to be cutting along the line. Alright, so I'll be using my Dremel 8220. No, I was joking. I don't know what the number is, but it is a Dremel, and some of you guys want to see live action videos. So here we go, live action. I got my Decor Mommy goggles here, safety first, and let's begin. Alright, looks like we achieved it. I'm a little rookie at this, guys, but this is a little tiny piece. Maybe I might just nick it here. Let's see. There we go, guys. We took it off. As I took this off, it's very sharp, so kids, don't do this at home without your mom or your dad. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one in just to smooth it out, because it's a little on the sharp side and you don't want to get cut. So I already cut this off with the Dremel, and this is going to be my middle point here. See where I put that? And what I'm going to do is you got to find something to curve over. Sorry guys, the allergies, I'm outside. What I want to do is curve this thing over, maybe over this paint thing that I got. So I'm going to try to curve this over. Where's my point? Right here is my point. So I'm going to put it right here. Whoopsie. Hold on. And that's what I'm trying to do, is curve it so you can make a curve somewhat for what I'm trying to make. And you guys can hang it Or if you guys don't want to do a half one, I think you guys could still do a whole one in the middle. What I'm trying to do. Guys, so if you remember my video, I went ahead and took a piece off here. So I'm gonna have to take this piece off if I want to bring these in. Now I made a little hole, and the hole of course is not big enough right now to fit through, as you can see. So I got to make it a little bit bigger, take this piece of nudge off in order to get these things in here. Okay, so I went ahead and placed this further back, which I like that way better. It's further back. But as you can see, that thing that I took off from this flagpole, see, I'm gonna have to literally shave that off. But this is kind of what I had in mind with this little thing here. So I'm gonna go ahead and shave this off. And look, it stands, voila, by itself. So far. Guys, so this is what it looks like, and before I decor the top, I wanted you to see what it looks like. I didn't even have a paintbrush, guys. I just used my finger, and I went ahead and just try to make it look a little old. And then I am gonna eventually add some Gorilla Glue. This is just the glue gun for right now, but you can also spray paint that black so it doesn't stand out as much. And this is how it's looking, and I'm gonna add more decor to it. Okay guys, look how precious. I hung it up here on my little chalkboard. Well, I should say my big chalkboard. But look how cute it turned out. I really do like how it turned out. And I did want to add maybe some lettering on there, but I don't have anything right now to put lettering. But I think it turned out so cute overall. And everything was bought from the Dollar Tree, the cake pans and the same little flagpole that I made my little bike. If you guys are new to my video, this is the bike that I was referring to that I made. I did make that on another video. This is in my bathroom as well. You could use it for your towels or your soap. I went ahead and put this in my bathroom, and this is how it looks. And of course you could hang it up. You guys already know. Hey guys, so this is the Dollar Tree little plate, and these are the little eggs, and I just added some flowers. These are the eggs that go with this little tier that I made with this little black and white ribbon. I think they turned out really cute. That I also went ahead and painted it a chalk paint, and I am gonna write lemons on there. Okay, so there it is, fresh lemons. I wrote on there 5 cents, and now I'm gonna decor it. I wanted to show you that I did pick up these picks, these greeneries, 97 cents, and I got them at Walmart. And I am gonna be putting them in my little tray here. All right, friends, so this is how it turned out. My writing is not the best, but this is how it turned out, all black. And you know, I love to show you guys different styles, different ideas, and it's just adorable. Of course, maybe if it's not hung, you might not see the lettering. That's why this one is a half plate to be hung, but it's your choice. I am gonna make another one that's more rounded to stand on your table or bathroom sink. So here's my little tray I made, and I'm just displaying it over here. But you'll probably get more of the lettering if it's hung up. Okay, so I've already given it one coat. I'm going to be giving it another coat of the chalked spray paint. And of course you could see that I should have painted these before I went ahead and fixed them, put the holes in. But it is what it is. I will be touching up the black as well. This is what I got so far with my little baking pans. And I am gonna touch them up with the paint. So they look just plain and ordinary, but when you start adding all these flowers and this pretty stuff to it, totally changes it. The way that I'm showing you this adorable little tier tray. And I will be showing you another way. Adorable for a tablescape. I wanted to share with you my little Dollar Tree donuts. How beautiful are they? They're little trinkets, and they open. They are like ceramic, and this is the little 2-tier tray that I made, and this is the picture. I just painted it pink from Dollar Tree. So this would be cute for a little donut shop little area. Again, I would like to stick something there, some lettering. With that being said, I did pick up this Do Not Disturb decal from the Dollar Tree. I think it would look great with all these little donut themes that they're having. This is my little mug. So I went ahead and put the little donuts in my little 2-tier tray. Dollar Tree picture frame that I did haul. I went ahead and painted it white, and I also wanted to add something to it. I wasn't sure if I should add the flowers around it, but the possibilities are endless with this. Glue this greenery and these flowers like on the side of it. I was thinking that if you put a little wreath over it, I think it covers Love Grows Here. I'd say Love Rose Her, which I don't know about that. I went ahead and put this little frame from the Dollar Tree. I added some flowers to it, and I went ahead and put it here. I had made this a while back from another video, and it is the love signs that I had just distressed and glued together and put in the back some foam board. So that's where I went ahead and ended up putting it. I think it looks really cute with my decor over here. Okay friends, so I went ahead and added this to my little decor. I really love how it turned out. It looks so pretty, and it just says Love Grows Here, and then this is just the top, how it looks of my little chalkboard. I think it turned out really pretty. Alright, so I just wanted to show you, I added the little eggs, and then this is the little Dollar Tree tray I made. And there's also ways like you could stick plates in there if you painted it and you just want to put some goodies in there. I really like how cute this little sign looks. And I just went ahead and made the little tray go with it. So many ideas, guys. So now you have two adorable little matching plates, some little goodies, some little eggs, and an adorable little tray. So I went ahead and added these little stickers on the tray because this is all I had on hand. But I think it's so cute. Just a little setup if you want to add some little baked goods.